Okay, let me explain this, like how fibroid sizes are measured, because from this your comment it seems you don't understand how fibroids are measured. Now let me explain, because 17 millimeter that you wrote here in your eyes is actually very big. That's why you are asking if it can be shrink. I don't know if you understand me. So this 17 millimeter, if you convert it to centimeter, is actually 1.7 cm fibroids. It's still a very small fibroid, okay? So it's not up to this number you are seeing here, but you should know that some hospitals measure fibroid with different different meters. Some are using millimeter while other hospitals are using cm, centimeter. So whenever fibroid or ovarian cyst are measured with millimeter, the number tends to appear big, okay? The number will appear big than when it is measured with cm, centimeter, and that is because 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. I don't know if you understand me. So let me use 2 cm fibroid for example. If you're having 2 cm fibroid and you go to different hospital, one hospital might use and if they use it's going to be 20 and the other hospital, if you go to another hospital and they use cm, it's going to be 2.0 cm. While the other is 20 then the cm is 2.0 cm. That is because if you turn that 20 to cm, it's going to be 2.0, no longer 20. And that is because 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. So that 20 cm fibroid, divide it into 10. So if you bring out the 10, keep it one side. So that 10 you now convert it to cm. Like I said, 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. So if you now convert it to cm, it's going to just be 1 and no longer 10. So the other 10 as well, convert it, is going to be 1. So the one that you brought out from those 10 millimeter is going to be 2. So now it's going to be 2.0 cm, no longer 20 okay? So in this your case now, your own is just 17 millimeter. Like I said again, 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter, okay? So take out that 10, 17 is here, take out that 10, okay? Take out the 10, is going to be 1 if you convert it to this thing to cm. So the 7 here is not even up to 10. So that's why it's going to be 1.7 cm if it is converted to cm. So you're having a very small fibroid that is not even up to 2 cm. Okay, so go and be taking ginger tea. I believe by now you already understand, because next time you might go to another hospital that uses cm, and if you reach there, you will be seeing 1.7 cm, and you'll be wondering, the last time I went to hospital it was 17 and now it's 1.7. That's because you don't understand how they measured it. That is it. Now I'm telling you, I believe you understand it now, okay? When it comes to fibroids, they measured your fibroid and you see 2.91 times 2.3 cm. When you see that times, it's actually 1 fibroid, because people are asking me now, they put times, does it mean it's 2 fibroids? No, it's actually 1 fibroid. I don't know if you understand me. It's 1 fibroid. So that 2.9 cm times 2.3 cm is 1 fibroid, but they measured it both sides, like the shape of rectangle, okay? You know that one side is actually bigger than the other side, okay? It's not that same. So that's why they're putting that time. So one side of the fibroid is a bit bigger than the other side of that fibroid. That's why they put the times. So it's actually 1 fibroid than not 2. It's 1 fibroid. So it's actually 1 fibroid. You don't need to start bothering yourself, because people, once they see these times and they actually put like 3 fibroids there, once they start calculating the times, they will feel like they're having 6 or 7 more fibroids. No, so it's actually 1. If you see that times, that 1 is 1, okay? It's actually the sizes of the fibroid, the side of that fibroid that is measured. Like I said, as the shape of rectangle, one part is bigger and the other side is smaller. That's what they do in terms of this fibroid, okay? Thank you.